Hey guys, Timothy Thomas here. Hey folks, welcome to the video. Hey, thanks for being a valued subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Also, guys, I would love for you to hit the like button. Hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. It will help the ranking in the YouTube world, and that would be very beneficial. Folks, we are entering into the direct mail season. Work from home literally just explodes. It gets bigger and bigger as we head out of August into September. Guys, hang on. We are going for a ride. If you put forth a little action, take a little action, put forth a little effort, folks, I'm telling you, you can do extremely well in these programs because they're turnkey simple. All the videos on my channel, all the programs that I'm involved with, they're plug and play systems. You sign up, you plug and play. You sign up and you get the postcards or your solo ads or whatever marketing you're going to choose. You want to just set the system up real quick and start marketing your business. And you do it over and over and over again, and income keeps coming in over and over again. So it's very exciting to see the results that we're experiencing in these programs. Literally, folks, it is incredible what can happen for you if you put forth the effort. I want to talk about the Millionaire Mailer, direct mail in general, talk about the mailing list that we use, and go from there. Some extra goodies, guys. Stay tuned to the video, guys. We've got a lot of proof here, and we're going to show you what's going on. Guys, when you get involved with the Millionaire Mailer, you can get a website that looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. There's a proof video, shows unlimited payments coming in. Guys, we get these payments over and over and over again on a daily basis, and there's no end in sight. We believe, leaders in this program believe this program will be great for the next 15, 20 years into the future as we continue to innovate, as we continue to stay on top of the mail curve. Folks, we feel this is the best mail order program running today, bar none, or one of the best. We are stoked about it and what it has done for people. Folks, what will you do with all the free time? Have a life without stress and money problems are over. If you can mail a flyer and or a postcard, you can win with these programs. Folks, the conference call, the website, the flyers, they do the selling, the telling, the explaining for you so you never have to. I'm telling you what, you talking about turnkey simple. That's what you do. And folks, we've got beautiful postcards, beautiful websites. We've just relaunched the Millionaire Mailer website, the new postcards, the new websites. People are loving what they're seeing. They're getting involved, and I feel that we haven't even got started as to where we're going to go with this program into the future. We have 17 different programs under the umbrella of the Millionaire Mailer. It gets bigger and bigger, bigger, bigger each week. And what if, folks, let me help. I'm just dreaming for a minute. What if the possibilities are endless? It is a possibility, folks, that we could put 500,000 people in this program over the next 10 years. And that is exciting to me. A chance to receive unlimited 25. So guys, I am totally excited about what we have going on with this program, and I want to provide proof with you today. Folks, I'm telling you what, if now is the time to get started in receiving unlimited $250, $500, $1,000 payments on a weekly, and some of our members are on a daily basis, now it's time. This program continues to expand, and it solves the problem, guys. You're in business for yourself, but you never buy yourself. Our conference call does the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. This website is designed to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have email follow-up, autoresponder messages that go out to your prospects that will help you to win, folks. Hundreds in cash every day. Just applying a little bit of effort, guys, goes a long way to winning with this brand new state-of-art money-making system. When you join, guys, you can get a website that looks just like this. Level $25 level, the $50 level, $100 level, $250, $500, and $1,000 level. Every one of them work fantastic. Now, when you join a higher level, you're going to get the lesser levels absolutely free. And that is incredible. That's what I'm most stoked about. You can get optional programs, guys. This is why you should be excited. Your name is going to appear in position number 1. And when you get a sign up, you're going to move to number 2. And then the number 3. And then you're going to remain on these flyers, guys, literally forever. And that is so exciting. what you do now, guys, you just go to the bottom of this website. You print, well, you can go print, guys, whatever level you want to join. Put it in the envelope, put it in priority package, or if you're going to join at the 250 or higher, mail it priority mail so you can get a tracking number. Priority mail looks like that, and go from there. And guys, these are some of the perks of the program, and here's why you should be excited. Here's proof, guys. You can get a website looks like this. Beautiful website, guys. $500 payments, $500 payments, $100 payments, $1,000 payments, Millionaire Mailer 6, and there in between, guys. All this will be on your website. This is proof that the program absolutely works. People say, well, I don't have any proof. Well, folks, we've provided all the proof that you will need to win in this program, guys. When you begin to manifest these things, guys, when you begin to speak those things into existence, if you think that you can do it, you can win. If you think that you can make $1,000 a week with the Millionaire Mailer, you can do it. All you got to do is thinking is achieving. If you think that you want to make $5,000 per month in this program, which a lot of our members are doing, you can do that too. So that is just super exciting on how to do this, guys, and how this all works with the Millionaire Mailer. So we're excited about that. All right. It's Mary Beth website that we're on, guys. Here is the conference call information, guys. Have any questions, you can reach out to Mary Beth or any member that referred you to the program, guys. Whoever got you in front of this information, we would ask that you partner with that member and get started. Get started in a heartbeat, guys, because it's a great program. Let's go through some proof, guys, of what was in the mailbox today. I've got some goodies that came in today. I want to show you verifiable, documented proof as to what has happened in this program today. And let's get started here. For the sake of the video, I want to keep rolling and see what we got. I want to cover up people's information. We have a $50 payment, Millionaire Mailer number 2. Welcome to the program. And this is Candace, guys. Candace is joining the Millionaire Mailer 2. Now, guys, this is the reality. Turn your mailbox into a virtual ATM machine. How we like that, guys, to go out to your mailbox, instead of it be jam full of bills, let it be jam full of payments. And it's absolutely powerful. And, guys, we send it off, and our secretary processes this, guys, and we're off to the races. Super excited. Welcome to the program, Candace. If you're watching the video, let's see what we got here. Another one of our members partnering with us. Let's go from there. Guys, anytime you can like, share, comment on this video below, right below the video. You can comment in the comment section. Leave a kind word, guys. This is the stamp program. Now, folks, everybody that's in mail order, you're going to need to have a stamp program. I don't care what program you're marketing, what program you're in, you're going to need a way to save on postage. Folks, well, we got one. We've got what we call the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. Guys, this stamp flyer will generate you unlimited, endless amounts of stamps on a daily basis, folks. 100 stamps per sign up on levels 1 and 2. And the way it works, guys, when you sign up, your name goes in position number 1, and then you're going to go to number 2. And can you imagine getting about 4 or 5 people, and you be sitting in number 2 on their flyer, receiving overrides, the 100 stamp overrides on those stamps, folks? You're talking about generating 400 or 500 stamps a week. That's why the members in the Millionaire Mailer are exploding their incomes, because they got tools. Now, folks, if you're in the Millionaire Mailer, or if you're not in, I would encourage you to get this stamp flyer, whatever mail order program you're in, and mail this along with any of your other programs that you're currently marketing. And this will resonate with other people, and they will partner with you, guys. Flood your mailbox with stamps. Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. If you want a copy of it, email me or comment on the video below. Send me the information, and I will send you a copy, and send me your email address, and I will email you a copy of the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. Guys, you can save a ton of money on your postage. Millionaire Mailer, folks. Millionaire Mailer. Here's another Millionaire Mailer payment come in. Somebody joined the $25 level. Yes, people do still send cash. So, We've got a running total here. Keeping tabs, guys, of what all is coming in, the receipts for today. We're going to add it all up at the end of the video. Super exciting, guys. Super exciting. Let's go here. Millionaire Mailer number 3. The $100 level, guys. This is huge. Somebody sent cash in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $100. Millionaire Mailer 3. Welcome to the program. Let's call this person Ryan. Ryan, welcome. We are super excited to have you on the program, and great sponsor that you're going to be partnering with, guys. And, let me make a side note. Folks always say, well, my sponsor didn't help me enough in programs, and my sponsor this, that. Folks, we eliminated the need for having a sponsor. You can call the company, get all the support in the world. All the support in the world. We have a Saturday workshop. Saturday workshops works out fantastic for our members. They are super excited. They're stoked about the workshop. We don't have them every Saturday, but we announce on Tuesday night when we're going to have the Saturday workshop. So very powerful, very, very doable. Guys, the Millionaire Mailer, the September is going to be explosive. I mean, it's going to be incredible. We're already seeing results. I believe October, November, December are going to be just off the charts. And that's my belief. I really believe it. And it's going to happen because I have the power of positive thinking. When you have power of positive thinking, the universe will bend to your will. The universe will ensure that these things happen for you. And that is absolutely powerful. When you have the will to achieve, folks, success will show up day in and day out in your life. You will be inspired beyond your wildest imaginations when you do this. So, folks, it never gets old. I mean, your mailbox can be flooded just like this daily with payments. Guys, look at this. This is a $10 cash machine, guys. This is a $10 payment. We have what we call the $10 cash machine. This program still works. This is one of the 17 programs up under the Millionaire Mailer. If you want a copy of this flyer, it's called the $10 cash machine. Just get hold of me, and I will get it out to you. Very fun flyer. We're super excited about it. We're totally stoked about it. And just a way to generate unlimited income, folks, from the comfort of your home, sitting around mailing flyers. Very powerful. Very powerful. I can't say enough about these programs, folks. And they absolutely work. And again, guys, as y'all see these checks and money orders, and hang on, the best is yet to come. And y'all can see the proof right here again on these websites. You're going to get a website just like this. And guys, let me show you something else. If you can mail the flyer, we have postcards made. And I'll show you one of our postcards. Here's the postcard, guys. The Millionaire Mailer 5. Look at this. The Millionaire Mailer 5 postcard. You can mail this postcard, guys. It will direct them back to the website that we were just on. And it's 35 cents to mail this. And your website will go somewhere right in here. And it will take them to your website. And that's powerful, folks. You can get these printed in canary yellow or whatever. Millionaire Mailer postcard number 5. Make $500 a day mailing cheap little postcards. Go from 0 to $500 a day mailing cheap little postcards. Pause the video, folks, and dial this 24/7 message number. Put in the PIN number, and you'll see it says this works fantastic, which it absolutely does. This postcard is resonating with people all over the United States today, and we are totally stoked about it. The back side of that postcard, it's like this. Your name going to go in the number 1. This is the opposite side, guys. And then when you get a sign, you're going to go to number 2, and then number 3, guys. You see the residual, the leverage built into this postcard, guys. This postcard can work for you for years to come. You set it up, set it and forget it. You go out there and mail postcards, and just mail. And folks, you'll be surprised as to what can happen for you this fall with these postcards. We've got our web developer. She's ready and willing to make your flyers and your postcards and get this stuff off to the races for you guys. Millionaire Mailer. Let me show you some more proof, guys. Okay, we got another priority package. Priority mail, folks. This is where the money is. All right, guys. Let's get this thing opened up. Got it open. Okay. We got Mr. Artist. I apologize, guys, if I am pronouncing your name wrong or something. I apologize for that. Just wanted to go let you know that. Go from there. Okay. So let's go over here. We have another Millionaire Mailer number 3, folks. Just absolutely explosive results. The Millionaire Mailer 3. Powerful, guys. Here's another $100 payment. Just came in. Just outstanding results, guys. Your mailbox can look the same way on a day in, a day out basis. Just put forth a little effort, guys, and explode your earnings with the Millionaire Mailer. Okay. All right, guys. Last but not least, we got one more. Just incredible day. And, guys, this is a lot of you are asking about the Instant Postcard Wealth program. Instant Postcard Wealth is incredible. I'm still receiving payments daily on the Instant Postcard Wealth program. It works fantastic. If you can mail a postcard, you can make money. And I've got so many videos on my channel about Instant Postcard Wealth. I'm going to do one maybe this week about Instant Postcard Wealth, just to kind of refresh. I like to kind of revisit